Hello, my digital planner friends. Welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to do a plan with me for the month of August. And we're going to be using the Book Lovers sticker kit. So if this is something that you are interested in, make sure you stick around and hit that like button and the subscribe button. So let's get started. So here is our Book Lovers sticker kit. This month is Book Lovers Day. So I decided to make a Book Lovers kit, and let's just zoom in so you can see the stickers. We have our Bible verses, covers, little check flags, weekends, some washi tape. And then we have some adorable little stickers to put on. Then all of our normal ones. All our little icons, whether in emotions, our color codes, and then all of these. So that is our sticker kit for the month. And I'm going to open up, turn on my pen. I like to use the, trying to find the kit. Oh, goodness gracious, where is it? There it is, Book Lovers. I like to use the elements, so I'm going to open it up and then slide it. I like to have 3 on the side, and then I'm going to pinch that to make it so we can start planning. Okay, let's see, what are we going to start with? I usually like to start covering this part and this part. So let's start with our washi tape, and I think I passed it. There it is. All right, so we have this one. And as you can see, it comes in crazy with that tool. So I'm going to tap off. It does clear up, but it's really wonky. So I always say to come over and use your photograph tool. Tap it and then fix it. And then we're going to bring it down so that it fits into the block, and I'm going to actually make this a little bit smaller, and I'll show you why in just a few minutes so I can have that last little spot open. And we're going to use this one to cover up. I like to have like the top covered, but I don't know if we're going to use this one or not. Again, it's all crazy. Tap, comes in clear, and again, you touch your photo tool, it straightens it out. Yeah, I think that's gonna look a little. What if we did just this time? Should have just left it, but that's okay. I'm gonna straighten it. And then crop it where it's only the 2. Let's see if that looks okay. And then just kind of put it on the side. Yeah, I kind of like that. So, copy. Come on, paste. My GoodNotes has been freezing lately. I don't know if you've been having that problem, but I know my GoodNotes has not been playing nice lately. Okay, so we're going to need to scrunch that in just a little bit because don't want to cover up my notes section. Okay, so yeah, that looks okay. And I'm going to add, I usually try to work top to bottom other than this spot right here. Okay, we're going to go ahead and add in our date covers. I just drag them in and kind of size them a little bit closer to the boxes so it's easier to grab as I go. Now let's zoom in. It's a lot easier to do some of this work in zoom in. Again, we'll touch the photo button because it needs to be straightened out. And just do the best. So has your GoodNotes been glitchy at all? I know, as you can see, it's like trying to pop up too. Just a little bit on the weird side here lately, but it's okay. It's still my favorite app to use. So I will deal with the glitches as they come. And we're almost done with this part. Like I said, glitchy, but it's okay. And as you can see, I'm not really all that crazy about it being perfect. I just like to play. That's one good thing about digital planning. You can just play. Okay, so we got that all in. Like I was saying with this box here, I like to track my weight in the beginning of the month and the end of the month. So I'm gonna put that there and then down there. So we have the beginning and the end. And let's see, we have a couple of spots. I may just save that until after I am done. Yeah, I'll decorate those later. Let's see. Let's start back up at the top on what we got. We're gonna start with Sunday right here. We do trash day on Sunday. As you can see, I added just a little bit of wording into the stickers this time, and from now on. The place that I create the stickers has changed some of their rules and regulations, so I had to do a little bit different, but that's okay. You really can't even see it unless you really zoom in, so it's still, I think, super cute stickers. Okay, so I'm looking for my church one because we go to church on Sundays. Oh, I plan on Sundays. So, see, it says plan your day, and then it's got 3 nail faith on the pen. I thought that was kind of cute. Like sometimes you get from different places, you'll get pens with their names on it. So I thought that was kind of cute. Okay, back to looking for the church. There's the church. Okay, that's pretty what we do on Sundays. And like always, I like to just easily copy and paste the things that are copy and pasteable. Okay, on Mondays, we have a coffee chat. So I'm going to need my coffee, which is purple and pink. So I think I'm going to use, where's my flags? I think I'm going to use the blue. Get a little bit bigger. Yeah, I like that. And come over. This is where I just get together with some other business owners and we chat, and it's good to have, isn't that adorable? It says Holy Bible, some of the Bibles and some stacks of books. Anyway, I get together with some other business owners and we just chat and talk about things that we need help with, or just chat about our weeks. It's good to just talk with other people that know what you're going through and different things that you're doing, and able to give suggestions and help and that kind of stuff. Okay. Tuesdays, I don't have anything going on, but we have Bible study on Wednesdays. And right now I'm just filling in all of the different things that are kind of the same week to week. And then we'll go in and add some of the extra stuff. Okay, let's see. Payday is on Thursdays. Oh, here's my paydays. We get paid every other Thursday. So we'll do that. And then there. And then, oh yes, payday. That's what, I mean, bill pay. I'm gonna do purple. Pay bills on, I like to do that on the Friday afterwards. And copy, paste. All right, now we're up to Saturdays. And we're gonna put, where's my weekend banner? There he is. And since in my world, Fridays, or I love that Fridays can start on our weekend. And then we have family time. I think that's at the bottom. We always have family time on Saturday nights. So we're going to copy these two over. All right, now, the first day of school starts. Are your kids starting back already? August 8th. So we're going to put a flag for that. I don't have in this kit. Let's do the purple since the blue tealy color is right next to it. Again, we're going to go to the photo. We're going to squish it down. There we go. And our text. And did you notice that I had the words were together, so I just kind of slashed through it and that separated them. Now I can see that this is not going to fit. So I'm going to take my lasso tool, lasso it, resize. Oop, I bumped off of it. Make it a little smaller so it fits. And I don't really like the color because it's not standing out very well. So we're going to tap it again, hit color, and I think I'm just going to do white. There we go. So we've got first day of school, coffee chat, book lovers day. The reason we're doing this sticker kit is on the 9th. So which one do I want to do for book lovers day? How about there's no such thing as too many books. I'll blow that up so you can see it. Adorable, isn't it? Super adorable. Okay, so we're gonna put that down, stick it right in there because that is on the 9th. And we have our digital planning meetup on the 31st. It's always the last Thursday of the month. And I'm going to do that one in pink because we haven't used it yet. Again, come over to your image tool to straighten it out, shrink it down, widen it, all the good things. And widen it just a little bit more. If you are interested in learning more about the meetup, I will leave a link in the description so you can learn more about it. I'm going to make that a little bit bigger. It's where we get together, we chat, people can ask questions, get ideas for different things that you can do in GoodNotes. Mostly all the members are GoodNotes users, but that doesn't mean if you're not a GoodNotes user, you can't join. We're more than willing to have anybody join, and everybody is welcome. And yeah, so I'll leave a link for that. I'll leave a link for the Book Lovers Kit and for the Everything Bundle. The Everything Bundle is where you get everything in the shop. Everything in the shop for one price. So there is that. Let's just decorate some of these extra holes that we have. Drink coffee. I'm just going to put this guy right here, which is close to that one, but it'll be all right. Then we've got some more holes up here. Just a girl who loves books and coffee. Oh, we don't want to put it on the first because I may end up having something go there. Let's see. I'm going to put something over in this area. Oh, we can put this guy right here. Alrighty. Let's see if there's anything else. Go through them one more. Oh, I do like this one. I think that one's adorable. There we go. And I'm going to, of course, put a scripture down at the bottom. And so I'm going to take that one off because I want to put a scripture on there. And I think that may be all I'm going to add to this month's. We don't have any birthdays. Let's see, is there anything else? Looks like that is about it for this month. So, I'll of course be adding things as we go, but first day, first kids, National Book Lovers Day, our meetup, my coffee chat, church time. That's about what we've got going on this month so far. And of course, like I said, we'll probably add as we go. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss a single video, and I will see you in the next video. You have a wonderfully blessed day. Bye-bye.